Hello, and welcome back to the latest video of Tech It's Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your first job on Upwork with no experience. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. The first thing you have to do is open your Google Chrome and search Upwork. Then click on the first option that pops up. Shortly after clicking on the first option, it will redirect you to your Upwork profile. After opening your Upwork profile, you just simply have to find the search button here and search for the kind of job you're looking for. Select entry level after searching here, which will help you to get the clients who are searching for newcomer freelancers on Upwork. Now, I'm selecting this job here. It says copy-paste job for new beginners, and it is looking for freelancers with the lowest rate at entry level. If you select the jobs that are looking for entry-level freelancers, it will be easier for you to get the job. After selecting the job, you have to click on Apply here. Then select the requirements and add a simple cover letter down here. Then it says, Send for 8 connects, and just click I understand up policies. Submit the application. Your proposal was submitted. You have successfully applied for a job on Upwork. We will keep making this kind of helpful video for you in the future. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting future content. Thank you for watching. Be healthy and keep loving the tech.